part. These are the parts of 10020 that have been returned. We understood that the surrounds would come easily off of the cone body, so we're going to test one. I want to pull on this part here. This part here is excess pulp that when the attaching die comes down on it, it pushes a pulp bump outward. If that's not bonded, that cannot bond very well. We don't expect that to bond very well. But I am going to start with that area to show it looks like there's a bad bond in that area. We will not consider that a bad bond. It's a tab of pulp due to the heavy nature of the cone. If the cone was compressed first and then trimmed, you would compress the pulp bumps down and then trim the part, and you would clean that up. That's not the normal way we do it. We could do that if this tag is a concern, but this tag or compressed pulp bump is not going to affect how the surround sticks to the cone body. So we're going to pull on that area. It gives an impression that it's disbonded there. Well, the tag is disbonded there, and we've already pulled on that part a little bit, but we're going to pull on that very, very hard. Well, very hard. And it's an extremely good bond. That area did come loose a little bit easier, but it is tearing. There's a very light layer of foam left there, so the foam is splitting. That's a much tougher test than a speaker will see. One thing we look at here is we feel this is an excellent bond. The glue has transferred from the cone body onto the foam because you see this white stringing. It's bridging the gap between the two parts. Let me try and show it a little bit better. And it's stringing, the glue is stretching, it's on both parts. It's pulling, we're pulling, and we're bending the cone there. We're bending the cone, the material is stringing. I like to see stringing because that means it did transfer from the cone to the surround. There we pulled so hard that it split the foam. The foam is left on. So that we consider a very good bond.